Now to start our code, let's first verify the code and make sure that we don't have any errors. Okay, done compiling. Now we have to go back and write our network name and SSID. It has to be the same as this network. It's called Ashraf. Okay, I will fill out this information. Okay, now once you fill out this information, go back and compile your code. Now let's go ahead and connect our board. Now once you connect the board, the next step will be going to the tools and selecting the COM board. Make sure that you have selected the board, which is Do It board. Do It ESP32 Dev Kit version 1. Then you can simply upload your code. Okay, now you have to create a new access point name. I called my access point Ashraf ESP, and this is the password for this ESP access point, and these are the IP configurations. Now what you need to do once you upload the code is go to the Wi-Fi networks and make sure that you are connected to this network, Ashraf ESP, or whatever you called it. Once you write the password, you will be connected to this network, and sometimes it doesn't take the IP configurations that you provided here. So when you try, open up a browser and write 198.168.0.165, it won't connect. And to try to figure out what's going on here, you can simply go and click on properties to see the Wi-Fi network properties. Hit down until you see this server address 192.168.4.1. Let's try this line. .1. Once you click enter, as you can see, here we are on our web page, ESP32 web browser, and these are the two buttons that we created. These are the heading 1 and 2, and we can simply turn the lid on or off using these buttons. We have two lids, and I will concentrate, as you can see in this video, on the built-in lid, which is connected to pin number 2, and we already have this button to control it. And now let's go to the COM board so that we can see what's here. Now once we open up this page, as you can see, the lids are off and we got this line. When you click on, as you can see, it's telling you that this lid is on. It's not number 4, it's number 2. And as you can see in the video, the blue lid is on. Now if you clicked again, the blue lid will be off. And if we have another lid connected to pin number 5, it will be on, and again it will turn off if we clicked the button again. So this is how easily you can turn your ESP to a web server and control it and connect to it as an access point. And as you can see, the blue lid is turning on and off. And as you can see, this is the line that was called when we clicked here. It's that easy. Again, if you went to the main page, it will print turn off both lids and print this line. That's it. this is how the code works in action. You can change this, you can add more lids, you can add more buttons, you can change the graphical user interface of the HTML code depending on your needs. If you have any questions, please ask in the Q&A board.